Hello, my name is Tate.
Hello, my name is Callum.
And welcome back to another episode of Brick Fam, where today we're going to be building the Microfighter sets.
I'm going to build a Resistance Y-Wing.
And I'm going to be building a T-16 Skyhopper and Bantha Microfighter.
We already have Kylo Ren and his ship, so we're going to move this to this side. And we're going to start building.
So as we can see, there's always this little thumb place you can place your thumb. Just simply get this open. We've got this box now. Ooh, what do we have here? So we have one bag, which I'm pretty sure might be the Bantha, and the other bag, which is the T-16 Skyhopper. What's cool about this set is that it comes with 2 sets of instructions, and that's it.
I'm going to pass this Lego set to my brother because I can't build it.
You can't open it.
I can open it.
Ta-da! I did it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, let me just... Ouch. Ouch.
Just pull it open, Cal.
How do I pull it open? Like this?
So as you can see, we have a big bag, which is probably Zori Bliss and the Resistance Y-Wing, and a little bag of pieces for the smaller parts, and the instruction bag.
So, I'm gonna ask my big brother if he can open these 2 bags for me.
Yes, so let's get building.